Everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Snapchat cannot view story. If you are the creator of the story and you cannot view and others cannot view the story, simply open the Snapchat app, tap on your profile icon, tap on settings at the top right of your screen, and then scroll down to find privacy. Here tap on view my story and you can set it to friends only or custom. The other thing that you can try and do is make sure that you're connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can try switching between the two and also toggling airplane mode on and off on your device, which sometimes resets your network. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to settings on your device, tap on apps, tap on Snapchat, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache of Snapchat and try again. You can also try logging out and logging back in. For that, head over to Snapchat on your device, head over to settings and scroll at the bottom, hit log out and log back into your device. If all else fails, then you can head over to your app drawer, search for Snapchat in your app drawer, long press on Snapchat, uninstall it and reinstall it on your device. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.